How to activate Evo Cards in Clash Royale. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you how to go ahead and use evolutions in the Clash Royale. So if you have unlocked an evolution card but it's not working in the battle, here's how you can fix it. Your evolved cards need to be in the special evolution slots. So open your deck builder. You will see two purple evolution slots at the top. Then drag your evolution ready card like the lumberjack or the witch into one of these slots, and you will see an animation confirming this slot is active. To see all the available evolutions, you can go to shop and scroll down to the evolution shared section. Now the paired up version of your card will appear in the battles. Only the cards in the first two evolution slots will be active, so be sure to place them there. Hope this helped. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.